Hello everyone, this is our first question. Represent 0.237 bar. See, that bar is over 237 in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers. Okay, this is the given number, no? We can take it as X. Okay, we will represent it as X. X is equal to 0.237 bar. That means 237 is going on, right? It is getting repeated. So we can take it as X is equal to 0.237, 237, 237, etc. Got it? Now, see, 3 digits are getting repeated here, no? So we want to move this decimal towards right 3 places. See, 3 places towards right, the decimal place has to move. That means we have to multiply this X by 1000. Clear? So here we have 3 digits which is getting on repeated. So we have to give a number having 3 zeros. Like that also we can remember. So we have to multiply by 1000. So 1000x. See, we have multiplied x by 1000. That means this decimal have moved 3 places towards right. So it will become 237.237, like that. Okay. So we have x and we have 1000x. See, for both these, 237 is getting on repeat, right? So if I take this as 1 and this as equation 2, if we subtract first equation from second, what will happen? This minus this. See, I'm going to write down the first equation here. X is equal to 0.237, 237, etc. This was x, right? See, I have written the number in such a way that the decimal places comes like this. Okay, they are on the same line or they are perpendicular to each other, like that. Okay, they are on the same line. Now, see, we are going to subtract. We have to subtract the first one. This is the first equation from the second one. 1000x minus x. That means 1000 minus 1, that is 999, right? 999x is equal to, see, when we subtract 237.237, 237, 237 like that, minus 0.237, 237. See, the decimal places are alike. So during subtraction, this part will go away. Only what will happen? Only what will remain there? 237, right? 237. See, what we have got is 999x is equal to 237. Now, x is equal to, in order to get the value of x, we have to take this 999 to the right side. Here it is multiplied, right? 999 into x is done here. So when we take it to the right side, it will become division. So it will be 237 by 999. This is our next one. Express 18.48 whole bar in P by Q form. So as the first step, we will take this given number as x. So we'll write it as x is equal to 18.48 bar. Or we can write it as 18.484848, like that, right? So here it is x. See, here 2 digits are getting on repeated, right? 2 digits, 4 and 8 are repeated. So we have to provide a number having 2 zeros, that is 100. That means we have to multiply this x by 100. We'll get 100x is equal to, when we multiply by a number having 2 zeros, this decimal will move towards right because it is multiplication. So it will move towards right 2 places. So here what we will have is 1848 point. See, that decimal come here. Okay, 1848.484848, like that it goes. So this is the second equation and this is the first equation. And next we have to subtract, right? So as in the previous question, we have to do the subtraction. So I'm going to write down the first one here again. It is 18 points. See, points, decimal places should come like this: 18.484848, etc. This was our first equation. So what we are going to do is second minus first equation. When we subtract, what we will get? 100x minus x. 100 minus 1, 99. So this is 99x is equal to, see, 1848.48, 0.48, 0.48. Here also we have the same after the decimal place. So these two parts will get cancelled, right? What is left? 1848 minus 18. 1848 minus 18. Here we have a 0, here 381. So it is 1830. Okay. So here what we got is 99x is equal to 1830. So x is equal to 1830 by 99. We have to make it into the smallest terms or smallest form. So see, these two numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, let us divide by 3. So 610 by 33. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, actually in the first part, first question, this was also divisible by 3. See, both the numbers were divisible by 3. Here it will become 7 times 3, 21. Then 2 will be there as the reminder, 27, 9 times by. When we divide 999 by 3, we will get 333. So this is the final answer. This is the next question. Express 0.123 bar. See, that bar is only over that 3. Okay, this is the given number. We have to express it in dy form. So first we will take it as x. So x is equal to 0.123 bar, which is same as 0.12. Only 3 is getting repeated, right? So we'll write it as 3, 3, 3, 3 like that. Okay, so this is our x. Now see, actually only one digit is getting repeated, right? But that process starts only after the first 2 digits, right? That means after the decimal place, we have to move towards this place. Okay, again the next digit is getting unrepeated. So the first step is we have to move this decimal place towards this. That means 2 places we have to move. That means 2 zeros we have to provide. That is, we have to multiply by 100. Okay, so x is going to be multiplied by 100 in order to take this decimal place towards this. That is, we need a 12.3333 like that. We need a 12.333 first. For that, we have to multiply by 100. Okay, so here it is 100, x is equal to this. Now, see, again, 3 is getting repeated, right? So we have to move this decimal towards this. That is, again, we have to move one more digit or one more place. So we have to provide one more 0 here, right? Got it? Actually, we are going to multiply this equation by 10, right? This equation is to be multiplied by 10 throughout. On left side and on right side, we have to multiply by 10 in order to what? In order to make this decimal move towards this place. Okay, so we have to give one more 0 here. That means 100 will become 1000 now. 1000x is equal to, see, this decimal place will come here. So 123.3333 like that. Or we can think from this step itself. Here, if we multiply by 1000, this decimal have to move 3 places towards right. Okay, now see, we have got 2 numbers. The decimal places are alike. See, 3 here, and here also we have 3 like that. So if we multiply, if we subtract these two, we will reach our answer. So this is the first one equation, this is second equation, and this is third equation. We have to subtract 2 from 3, right? Third equation minus second equation is what we have to do. Okay, so under the third equation, I am going to rewrite the second equation. Here we have 100x. See, 100x is equal to 12.3333 like that. This is the second equation. Now, when we subtract 1000 minus 100, 1000 minus 100 is 900. So 1000x minus 100x is 900x. Okay, so 900x is equal to, see here also, that decimal places are like, no, it will go during subtraction. And actually, we have to subtract 123 minus 12. See here, we have a 1, here also 1, and here also 1. Like that. So this is 111. Okay, that is 900x. 900x is equal to 111, or we can say x is equal to 111 by 900. 111. When we add 1 plus 1 plus 1, we are getting 3. That means 3 is a multiple of 3. So 111 is also a multiple of 3. We can divide it by 3. And 900, of course, is a multiple of 3. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 3. 3 times 3, 9. Reminder, 2 will be here. 2 and 1, 21. So 7 times 3, 21. There it is, 300. So this is the answer. This is our next question. Show that 0.2353535, which is same as 0.235 bar. See, that bar is over 3 and 5 only. 2 is excluded. Okay, can be expressed in P by Q form. So we have to represent it in P by Q form. As the first step, we will take it as x. Okay, x is equal to 0.2353535, like that it goes. See here also, the repetition happens only after the first digit, right? First digit means first digit after the decimal. Okay, so first we have to move this decimal to this place. That is, we have to move one place. One place means we have to provide 1 0. The number with which we have to multiply is 10. Okay, so we are going to multiply that equation by 10. Let it be first equation. So first equation into 10, we will get 10x is equal to, this decimal will move towards right one place. So it will become 2 point, right? 2.353535, like that. This is our second equation. See, in first and second equations, the numbers or the digits after the decimal place is not alike, right? Digits are not alike. So we have to make them alike. So that what we have to do, we have to move 2 more digits here, right? Okay, 2 more digits we have to move forward. That means we have to provide 2 more zeros here. Now it is 10. When we give 2 more zeros, what will happen? See, we have to move 2 more digits towards right. That means we have to give 2 more zeros. So 10 and again 2 more zeros means this will become 1000, right? 1000x is equal to 235.3535, like that it goes. This is our third equation. Understood? So first we will transfer that decimal place to a point from where the repetition starts. Again, we will make 2 numbers having the same decimal places, such that through our subtraction, we can remove that decimal point. Okay, that is the procedure what we are doing now. See, if we subtract second and third, if we take the second equation from third equation, we can remove that decimal part. No, see, decimal places are alike here. So I'm going to rewrite the second equation, 10x is equal to 2.353535, like that. Okay, what we are going to do is third minus second equation. Okay, when we subtract these two, here we have 1000 and here we have 10. 1000 minus 10, 990. So 1000x minus 10x is 990x is equal to. Here also the decimal places are alike. Through subtraction they will go 235 minus 2, that is 233 here. Okay, so what we got is 990, x is equal to 233. So x is equal to 233 by 990. This is the answer. This is the last question of our video. See, the question is like solve 0.6 bar plus 0.47 bar. Okay, see, actually we are going to add two decimal numbers which are having repeating digits. Okay, non-terminating and repeating. So first we have to make them in P by Q form and convert them into P by Q form. So let us take x as 0.6 and y as 0.47 bar. That bar is made to that 7. Okay, so what we have to find is actually x plus y, right? Okay, we have taken 0.6 bar as x and this as y. So actually the question is to find out x plus y. We have converted it like that. Now, here we have a bar here, no? That means this is actually 0.6666 like that goes. Only one digit is getting repeated. We have to provide a number having 10, that is 10, right? So we have to multiply by 10. 10x will become what? This decimal will move towards right. Okay, one will move towards right. So it is 6.666 like that. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Then we can subtract. See, x is equal to 0.6666 like that. This is our first, right? First one. So now we are going to subtract second minus first equation. See, 10x minus x is 9x. The decimal places are alike. It will go during subtraction. 6 minus 0, 6. Only 6 will be here. That is x is equal to 6 by 9. Both are multiples of 3. We can divide by 3. So we'll get it as 2 by 3. Now here we have y is equal to, okay, y is equal to 0.47 bar. See, listen, that bar or the repetition is only for 7, that digit, but 4 is already here, which is after the decimal. So first we have to move this decimal towards right. That means towards this point, only one place we have to move. So first we have to multiply by 10. One place to move means we have to multiply by a number having 10, that is 10. So it will become 10y. 10y is equal to 4.7 bar. Okay, y was 4, actually what was that? 0.4777 like that. Now 10y is equal to 4.777 like that. Again, we need the numbers before doing subtraction. No, we opt for getting two numbers having the same kind of decimal numbers, it's decimal places. So here it is 4.777, but here it is 0.4777. So what we have to do? Again, we have to multiply by 10. That is, we have to move this decimal place towards here. One more jump, right? One more place we have to shift. And that is one more 0 we have to give here. That is, this will become 100. So 100y is equal to, see, we are multiplying by 10 actually. Again, we are multiplying by 10. 10 into 10, 100, it became, then now this decimal will move here. So it will become 47.777 like that. Okay. Now, this was our third. Okay, in this question, 1, 2 equations are already here. No, so let us keep it as third equation. This is fourth equation, and this is our fifth equation. Now we are going to subtract. Okay, we have to subtract 10y equal to 4.777. See, whenever we do subtraction, no, the decimal places should be like this. points should be like this, then we won't get any mistakes. So this is actually fifth equation minus fourth equation. What we get is 100 minus 10 is 90, right? So this is 90 y is equal to, this decimal places will go 47 minus 4, that is 43. So y is equal to 43 by 9. Now actually what we were asked to do, we were supposed to find out x plus 5, right? Okay, so we have given the variable names, no? To write down the problem properly, x plus 5 will become 2 by 3 plus 43 by 90. See, 3 can be converted into 90 very easily, right? Because 90 is a multiple of 3. We can make it into 90 if we multiply by 30. 3 into 30 will become 90. Okay, we need the same denominators when we add two fractions. That is why we are going to do this. So when we multiply the denominator by 30, we have to do the same operation in the numerator as well, right? So it will become 2 into 30, that is 60, by 3 into 30, that is 90. So 60 by 90 plus 43 by 90. Okay. Now it is 60 plus 40 is 100. So this is 103 by 90. That is the final answer. Hope all of you have understood. Thank you.